Hello and welcome to Daily Salar Digital. Let's look at the updates that made the headlines today. On October 26, the United Nations General Assembly will meet to discuss the Israel-Palestine conflict. Several countries including Jordan, Bangladesh, Russia, Syria, Vietnam and Cambodia had formally requested that President Denis Francis convene the meeting. Despite the Security Council's inability to reach an agreement on the Hamas-Palestine conflict, a Russian draft resolution calling for a humanitarian pause was previously rejected by the UN Security Council. V.K. Pandian has been appointed Chairman 5T Transformational Initiatives with the rank of Cabinet Minister. Pandian is a former IAS officer and a close aide to Odisha Chief Minister Navin Patnaik. Yesterday, Pandian's request for voluntary retirement from public service was approved. During Patnaik's current term, the 5T program was launched. According to the program, the state government has renovated the classrooms, laboratories and playgrounds at over 4,000 high schools. Pandian will now report to Chief Minister Patnaik directly. Dussehra or Vijayadashami is a super exciting festival celebrated all over India to honor the victory of good over evil. People go all out by burning huge effigies of the demon king Ravana. This year, Dussehra, celebrated on October 24th, marks the end of the 5-day Durga Puja festivities. It's a time to celebrate Goddess Durga's triumph over the buffalo demon Mahishasura. People also immerse idols of Goddess Durga, Saraswati Lakshmi, Karthik and Ganesha in water bodies. Dussehra also sets the stage for Diwali preparations, the festival of lights, which is celebrated 20 days later. The cultural city of Karnataka is all lit up during these 10 days with rituals, music, dance, games, food and so much more. The final day is witnessing the Grand Jumbo Savari, where decorated elephants are paraded through the streets of Mysuru. The lead elephant, Abhimanyu, is to carry a whooping 750 kg of golden howdah. It's a magnificent sight that attracts lakhs of people to the city. Karnataka police have revealed that 2 of the 3 men arrested in connection with the murder of Congress leader M. Srinivas, a close associate of Karnataka Home Minister Dr. G. Parameshwara, were shot in the legs while trying to flee. The prime accused Venugopal and Munindra, along with another accused, Santosh, sustained injuries during the incident in the Lakshmi Sagar forest area. The police, led by Inspector Venkatesh, were bringing the suspects after their arrest when the escape attempt occurred. In self-defense, the police resorted to shooting the accused in the legs. In the process, Inspector Venkatesh, staff Manjunath and Nagesh also sustained injuries. All injured parties have received treatment at the Kolar District Hospital. Police suspect that the accused may be part of Supari gang known for committing contract killings. Srinivas, a taluk-level leader of the Congress party and a potential Lok Sabha candidate, was attacked near Kolar. Despite being rushed to the hospital, he tragically succumbed to his injuries. In a quirky protest against load shedding, farmers in Karnataka's Vijayapura district brought a massive crocodile to the Hubli Electricity Supply Company Limited office. Frustrated with power cuts affecting their crops, the farmers confronted HESCOM officials, highlighting the potential dangers of snake, scorpion or crocodile bites during the night. The crocodile was later safely released into the Almaty River by forest officials, but the issue of load shedding still awaits the resolution. Last week, an operation to clear Bengaluru's Vartur lake resulted in the death of approximately 25,000 fish due to water pollution. The lake, which had shown signs of recovery, was impacted by sewage water from upstream. Local residents and activists are demanding proactive measures from the Bangalore Water Supply and Sewage Board to address water quality concerns in sewage treatment plants. They also call for Karnataka State Pollution Control Board to ensure only treated water is present in the stormwater drains. Additionally, residents urge fulfillment of promises made to the National Green Tribunal by the Minor Irrigation Department and elimination of encroachments by the Reserve Department. A high-level monitoring committee, as mandated by the NGT order, is also demanded. Bengaluru residents along with lawmakers have joined forces to protect the iconic Cubbon Park from a controversial parking lot proposal. Environmentalists and park goers, including joggers, readers and picnic enthusiasts, have voiced their opposition to the plan. They suggest exploring alternative parking options around the park and urge authorities to preserve the park's greenery. The community emphasizes the park's significance as the lung of the city and calls for a ban on all vehicle parking within the park's premises. According to the latest report from S&P Global Market Intelligence, India is on a track to surpass Japan and take over the third largest global economy with a projected GDP of $7.3 trillion by 2030. India's economy is currently the 5th largest. In the fiscal year ending March 2024, India's GDP is expected to grow between 6.2% and 6.3%, making it the fastest growing major economy in the world. Notably, India's economy experienced an impressive 7.8% growth during an April-June quarter. At the Asian Para Games 2023 in Hangzhou, Deepti Jiwangi won India's 8th gold medal in the women's 400-meter T20, breaking both Asian Para and Games records in the process. Ajay Kumar won silver in the 400-meter T64 final for men. Manish Kaurav earlier won the bronze medal in the men's KL3 Kono event. In the women's KL2 Kono event, Prachi Yadav bagged a gold medal with 35 total medals including 10 gold, 12 silver and 13 bronze. India is currently in the 4th position. SpaceX has signed a deal to orbit up to 4 of Europe's flagship navigation and secure communication satellites. The agreement still needs to receive final approval from the European Commission and EU member states. An agreement for 2 launches carrying 2 Galileo satellites each next year was recently signed by the SpaceX and European space agencies. Well, that's it for today. For latest news and updates, you know what to do. Subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.